how to check your recently watched Instagram Reels. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to check our recently watched. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by directly open up the Insta application and it's very easy to check it out. So once we have opened up the Insta, we can go to our profile in the bottom right corner, tap on it in order to access our profile. And from here, look out for the three lines menu in the top right corner and select it. Once we have selected the menu, it should open up our settings and privacy on our screen. You can wait for it to load up and then directly find the option called your activity. So tap on your activity, and once we have tapped on your activity here, we'll be finding a section here. So here, when you scroll down, you will be finding a section called watch history under how you use Instagram. So tap on it, and once we tap on it here, we'll be finding all of the reels that we have watched. So here you can see all of the reels that are available here. I can just head over and look out for it. You can just go and view a list of previously watched reels, and this feature allows you to, sort it out, filter by date or creator, and remove the videos if not available. You can also update your application to the latest version using Google Play Store as it is a new feature. You can just go and follow up this method, and you can look through your likes, also comments under your activity if you have interacted with the reel. And that is how you check your recently watched Instagram reel. So make sure your Insta is updated to the latest version. For that, we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.